back to another video of Task Force Tread. Today we have another Flatten It Friday. But this Flatten It Friday is going to be a special one. Dad, bring the forklift over. We are going to be crushing a microwave. We'll crush the microwave.
With our FV432 Armored Personnel Carrier. This is going to be a fun one.
Yep.
We've been looking forward to doing this. And now that we've got our tracked APC on our property, we're going to start having some fun with that thing. What do you guys think?
Let's do it.
So we're going to get the APC fired up, and we'll get it in position. We'll set some cameras up so we can get some really good views of getting this thing crushed. So
Yep.
what do you guys think? This is an exciting one. This is going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
It's going to destroy this. This is going to be great.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's get it moved. Let's get the APC running.
Say bye to the microwave.
gosh. Mom, do you want me to turn that off? Okay. Oh my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, now you know what's inside of like now you know how it breaks. So yeah, and I'm stuck. Dude,
Yes.
the glass just. What is that?
Oh, looks like a circuitry board. Heck yeah.
People say that's gold.
Let's say this microwave has cooked its last hot pocket, yeah?
So heavy.
What do you guys think?
Oh my god.
Did it look good? I can't wait to see the slow-mo of that.
Watch out, there's glass.
Yeah, look at the glass.
Yeah. I knew that was gonna happen.
The glass.
Oh, that's gonna be crazy.
Oh, heck yeah.
Oh my god.
All right, so who's cleaning this up?
Not it.
Not me.
Me.
Oh, you want to clean it up?
Yeah.
We'll just have to be careful with all the glass and stuff. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Flatten It Friday on Task Force Tread. In one of the other videos, we'll take you inside the APC, kind of give you a rundown of it, how some of the stuff works. I think that'd be kind of a fun video also. Not something everyone has in their backyard. So, hey, thanks for joining us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we can keep bringing you guys fun content.
Yeah.
Hey, we'll see you guys in the next one, all right?
Yeah, leave a
Bye.
comment saying what you want us to